Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Mavish Malik. I am very happy to welcome you all to our computer book 7 classes STEM International. आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग चैप्टर 2 जो कि डिजिटल स्किल्स के ऊपर था उसकी एक्सरसाइज को डिस्कस करेंगे, जिसमें हम फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स को डिस्कस करेंगे, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर को देखेंगे, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे, हम लोग जो इसमें MCQs हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे, फिर एट द एंड हमारे पास जो प्रैक्टिकल और जो एक्टिविटी वर्क है, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे. तो चलते हैं अपनी एक्सरसाइज की तरफ. बुक 7 चैप्टर 2 डिजिटल स्किल्स एक्सरसाइज सेक्शन A. Choose the correct answer. Statement 1. A word processor is mainly used to create and edit text documents. Statement 2. Which option is used to make text darker and thicker? Bold. Option C. Statement 3. Which command creates a new copy of the document? Save as. Option B. Statement 4. Which shortcut key is used to copy text? Control plus C. Option B. Statement 5. Which alignment spreads text evenly on both sides? Justified. Option C. Statement 6. Which feature checks spelling and grammar errors automatically? Option B. Spell check. Statement 7. Which software is mainly used to prepare letters and reports? Option B. Word processor. Statement 8. Multimedia preparations may include. Option C. Text, images, audios, and videos. Statement 9. Which field is used to send a hidden copy of an email? Option C. BCC. Statement 10. Which protocol is responsible for sending emails? Option B. SMTP. Section B. Write T for true and F for false in the given circles. Statement 1. Save as updates the same file without changing its name. False. Statement 2. A header appears at the bottom of the page. False. Statement 3. IMAP allows emails to remain stored on the server. True. Statement 4. Spell checking improves writing accuracy. True. Statement 5. Audio can be added to a multimedia presentation. True. Section C. Fill in the blanks. Statement 1. Dash is the process of writing text in the word processor. Composing. Statement 2. The dash tool provides alternative words with the similar meanings. Thesaurus. Statement 3. The dash command removes selected text and stores it in the clipboard. Cut. Statement 4. Dash helps arrange information in rows and columns. Table. Statement 5. Dash allows users to send digital messages through internet. Email. Section D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is a word processor? A word processor is a software application used to create, edit, store, print text document. It allows users to type and arrange text easily using different tools. Question number 2. Define editing. After it has been written, users can insert new text, delete unwanted content, or replace words and sentences. Question number 3. What is the difference between save and save as? The save command stores the changes made in the current document using the same file name and the location, whereas the save as command creates a new copy of the document. It allows the user to change the file type or the save location. Question number 4. What is the purpose of a table in a document? Tables make it easy to compare the information quickly. Using tables improve the clarity of the document. Question number 5. What is the multimedia presentation? A multimedia presentation consists of a set of media objects such as images, text objects, video clips, and audio streams. Question number 6. What is email etiquette? Email etiquette refers to the proper rules of writing email. It includes greetings and signature. Etiquette shows discipline and it improves digital behavior and it builds trust. Question number 7. Write 2 uses of email. Email helps share information easily over the internet. Email is used to send and receive files such as document, images, and videos. Question number 8. What is the function of SMTP? SMTP is responsible for sending emails from the sender to email server. Question number 9. What is authentication? Email authentication is a security purpose used to confirm that an email message is genuine. Section E. Answer the following questions in detail. Question number 1. Explain the main formatting features of MS Word. Main formatting features of MS Word includes underline, bold, italicize, font style, font size, and font color. You have to explain all of these features in detail. Question number 2. Describe the steps to insert and format a table. Steps to insert a table. You have to place the cursor where you want to insert the table. Click on the insert tab in the menu bar. Click on the table option. Select the number of rows and columns from the grid. Click to insert the table onto the document. This is how we add or insert the table into the document. Then we come to the formatting a table, and we have 5 steps for that as well. You have to click anywhere inside the table, use table design or layout tab to format the table, change the border style, color, shading, or whatever is required as per the requirement of the formatting. Step 4, adjust the row height and column width or the proper spacing. Step 5, apply a table style to improve the appearance. Question number 3, explain the importance of presentation tools. In order to answer this question, you have to discuss the points in detail, like point-to-point focus, attraction visuals, numerous resources, breaking the complexity, or user ownership, multimedia capability, easy accessible. You have to discuss all these points in detail so that you are able to explain the importance of presentation tools. Number 4, describe different email authentication methods. For, for this question, you have to discuss the email authentication in detail that we have discussed in the chapter, like password-based authentication, service-based, certificate-based authentication, biometric authentication, DKIM, SPF, DMARC. You have to discuss all of these points in detail in order to answer this question. Experience-based questions. How can a word processor help you in preparing assignments? You have to discuss how many assignments you have prepared and how a word processor helped you in preparing those assignments. Question number 2, describe a situation where email helped you communicate quickly. In this question, you have to discuss a situation where you used email. So if you have used email for whatever reason, you wanted to communicate, you wanted to share assignments, or you were sharing some kind of documents, so you have to answer this question based on your experience. Think and answer. Why should students use email politely and responsibly? In this chapter, we discussed that you have to use digital space politely, nicely, and respectfully. So how you have to answer this question according to that. Also, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हुए आपने ये भी सोचना है कि हमने पिछली कुछ क्लासेस में और कुछ चैप्टर्स में हमने ये पढ़ा था कि डिजिटल सिटीजनशिप is a thing and you have to use digital space ethically, uh, and you have to answer this question using that perspective. Question number 2, why is it important to log out of your email account on shared devices? तो हमने इस चैप्टर के अंदर डिस्कस किया है कि the best practice is कि whenever you are done using your email account, log out immediately for the privacy reasons. Also, जब आप कोई इस तरह की डिवाइस यूज कर रहे होते हैं जो कि मल्टीपल यूजर्स यूज करते हैं और it is a shared device, or maybe you are using your lab computer, so you always have to log out your email so that your information or your email account gets or stayed protected and private. Question number 3, how can strong passwords protect your email account? So the primary security of your email account is your password. So whenever you are using the combination of numbers, letters, and special characters that define a strong password. Strong password is not easy for other people to guess, so that keeps your account protected all the time. Activity work. Create a short document in MS Word and apply bold and italic formatting, text alignment and a table. अब आपने एक शॉर्ट डॉक्यूमेंट बनाना है MS Word के अंदर जिसमें आपने बोल्ड और इटैलिक फॉर्मेटिंग अप्लाई करनी है, आपने टेक्स्ट अलाइनमेंट करनी है और आपने उसमें एक टेबल इंसर्ट करना है. Question number 2. Compose an email to your teacher requesting leave for one day. Use proper subject and polite language. अब आपने एक ईमेल अपने टीचर को कंपोज करना है जिसमें आप रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं एक दिन की लीव के लिए, जिसमें आपने प्रॉपर सब्जेक्ट ऐड करना है और आपने एक पोलाइट लैंग्वेज भी उसमें यूज करनी है. जैसे कि हमने टोन यूज किया है तो आपकी टोन जो है वो रिक्वेस्टिंग होनी चाहिए क्योंकि आप जो है वो रिक्वेस्ट करके लीव ले रहे हैं. Project time. Create a formatted document containing a heading, a table, and insert an image and page numbers. Now, यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है कि you have to create a document जिसमें आपने heading add करनी है, आपने एक table add करना है, आपने उसमें image insert करनी है और आपने जितने भी आपका pages का वो होगा document होगा उसके आपने page numbers भी add करना है. Email communication chart. Prepare a chart explaining POP, IMAP, SMTP and their functions. अब आपने एक ईमेल कम्युनिकेशन का चार्ट बनाना है जिसमें आपने कुछ चीजों को एक्सप्लेन करना है जो कि इस चैप्टर के अंदर हमने पढ़ी है, जिसमें POP है, IMAP है, SMTP है और उनके फंक्शंस आपने साथ ही उसकी एक्सप्लेन करने हैं. تو جی اسٹوڈنٹس، آج کی اس ویڈیو میں ہم لوگوں نے ایکسرسائز کو ڈسکس کیا، جس میں ہم لوگوں نے فل ان دی بلینکس دیکھے، MCQs دیکھے، اس پر کویشچن اینڈ آنسرس کو ہم لوگوں نے ڈسکس کیا، لانگ کویشچنس کو دیکھا، ہم نے پروجیکٹس کو ڈسکس کیا۔ آئی ہوپ ساری چیزیں آپ لوگوں کو سمجھ آئی ہوں گی۔ ملتے ہیں ایک نئے ویڈیو میں، تب تک کے لیے اپنا خیال رکھیں۔ اللہ حافظ۔